I'm going to paint these rims white. But first I have to strip off all the old paint and stuff I put onto it years ago when I first got it. Yeah, I better get the bitch mittens on. Yeah, just put on some good coating of aircraft paint stripper and just let it sit for a few minutes. Man, this stuff's strong. Oh, parts cleaner brush. Should make stripping this down a lot easier, which, damn, it is. Most likely I'm not going to keep these tires. They're basically cupped out pretty bad. I just got them to put them on the car for rollers. Oh, this is taking off the old white paint. Yes, this was a Mark III white package Supra. I know where there's an 88 Supra solid top turbo sitting, and the guy wants to sell it to me, but I don't have the money to afford a storage shed to store it in. If I did have the money, I would probably buy a couple acres of land out in the middle of nowhere and rescue junkyard Supras. Pull them out of junkyard, rebuild them. Not restore them, but rebuild them. Difference. I should be using a respirator. Yeah, it'll start. So I gotta get this backside, but I'll just put it over here to, out of the way. But the paint chipper finished doing its job. Oh hell, storm clouds moving in. I can see where he repainted these white at one time. No, these are not rims off a 89. I think like 90, 91, maybe 92. I'm just going to paint one rim. Not make you guys watch me paint all four. I know that would be pretty boring. Like I was saying, I'm not interested in keeping these tires. They're cupped out pretty good. So I'm just going to mask them off, paint around them. After doing this, I have much better appreciation for guys who do body work and paint, because this crap is irritating. Trying to get it the right angle. Trying to paint a circle with a straight line. I'm not too worried about the inside right there. So what do you think? Yeah, I think that looks better. Better than that back there. Let's take it for a visit. Yeah, I think the black doesn't look as good as the white. I'm gonna go with white rims. Thank you for coming up to NK3 Resurrection. Like and subscribe, and comment because I do read your comments. And may the Blessed Mother of Celebration watch out for you. Ain't she sexy?